Get ready to build arms of steel with this 15-minute workout. Today, we are picking up weights and getting ready to build strength. You want to be strong in all areas of your life, from a strong core and arms to strong and bright enamel. This all helps you to live your best and healthiest life. Let's do it. All right, we're gonna get right into our warm-up here. I want you to step back on the edge of your mat, slight bend in your knees. I got my girl JULANA. She's gonna be doing modifications, and Rachel with me. Let's roll, ladies. Slight bend in the knees, walk your arms out to a plank position. And once you're here, you're gonna cross your opposite arm to your shoulder. You're gonna go tap, down, one more time, and then walk it all the way back in. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Stand and stretch your arms up. Good, big breath, exhale and repeat. Walk your arms out and 2 shoulder taps, cross. And I want you to keep your abs nice and tight for me. Feeling that core and that stretch. Good. Again, we're gonna take it all the way down. Now, if you're advanced and you're feeling good, you can always add in that push-up before that tap. And walk it all the way in. Good. Reach it up. And let's go for 2 more. Walk it all the way out. Nice and easy. Tap, tap, good. Nice, girls, you look good. Stretch.
Good. It's
Nice.
only the warm-up though, right?
Just the warm-up,
Woo!
last one. Good, give me that cross, tap. Reach it all the way back. Getting into those legs and stretch. Beautiful. For the next move, we're gonna stay on the mat. I want you to lay flat onto your tummy. We're gonna reach our arms out, Superman. Now watch JULANA for my modification. If you can't drop to your stomach, you can do that. Exhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together and relax, good. Up, back down. You're gonna feel your lower back. Squeeze, release, take it up, back down. Good, one more time. Not one more time, we're gonna keep going, keep it going. Good, 3 more. 3, squeeze your glutes together. 2, good, 1 more. Nice job, everyone. Shake it out. We're gonna stay onto the mat. I want you to come onto your forearms into a plank hold. So really squeeze your abs in tight. Now we're gonna go up on the arms. Take it up, take it up, take it down, take it down. Switch arms. Good, up, up, down, down. Watching. JULANA, if you can't do the walk with the arms, just hold that plank for me. Up, up, down, down, continue. Good. If you forget which arm just came up, it's okay. Just try to remember. Good, keep it going. Up, up, down, down. Good. This now is gonna start to kick in. Good. Squeeze that belly in. Getting those arms ready for those weights. How you guys doing?
Silent means we're working.
Silent and working. Continue. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, you guys. Shake it out. We're nice and warm. Bring it up on your feet. So grab a set of medium dumbbells, whatever feels good to you. Palms come forward. We're gonna curl it halfway for 7, all the way down. 6, elbows in front of your rib cage. 5, down. 4, down. 3, down. 2, good. 1 more. Perfect. Now bring it all the way up to halfway for 7. Squeeze. 6, good. Slight bend in your knees. 5, good, ladies. 4, last 3, last 2. Squeeze your abs. Last 1. Bring it all the way down. We're going full range. 7, 6. Nice. Keep working. 5. You got it. 4. Get those biceps for 3. Last 2. Give me 1 more. Woo! Nice work. Shake it out real quick. We're gonna go into the back of the arms, tricep kickbacks, lean it over, press your knuckles back. So I want you to think of pressing your knuckles to the back of the room, lengthening those arms. Yes. Keeping you ready for tank tops all year long. Feeling good, feeling strong. Good, straight back. Keep working. Exhale, press it back, bring it in. Now if you need to modify, you can go 1 arm at a time. Totally fine. Good, stay with me. Let's go 5 more reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Ooh, feeling that burn. Shake it out. Nice work, you guys. Now, this kind of reminds me of the YMCA because of the Y press. So bring your dumbbells up. We're gonna bend our knees down into a narrow squat, and then exhale, press it up like the YMCA. Bring it back down. Good, nice. Working those shoulders, squeeze your glutes. Gonna get a little bit of that lower body as you take it down. Power up to press. Good. So inhale down, and then exhale, press. Good, inhale down, squeeze. Good, keep breathing. Nice. We're doing great. We're almost there. Let's go for 6 more. 6. Press.
We count down with you.
5. Nice. Continue. 4. Count with us. 3, 2. Last one. 1. Woo. Good. Go ahead. Shake out those arms. You earned it. Now this is one of my favorite ones. Touch your dumbbells together. Now touch your thighs. I call these champion curls. Curl both dumbbells to your shoulder and all the way down. Good. I want you to exhale as you bring it up. Yes. Feeling like that strong champion. Yes. Good. Curl with confidence. You got it. Oh yeah. Right about now, I'm feeling it. All the way up. Exhale. Bring it back down. You're more than halfway.
The weights are so much heavier.
Yeah, all of a sudden your weights are gonna seem way heavier. We're putting the weight together. Back to those biceps, one at a time. Good, stay with me. We're gonna drop down to one weight coming up. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, last 2, last 1. Beautiful, recover. Drop down to one weight. Nice work, ladies, we're almost there. Dab, dab, dab. No weight if you're doing the modification. We're gonna hold that dumbbell. You're gonna press it above your head into a jumping jack and press. Good, light on your toes. So if you can't do the jump, totally fine. Just tap it out with no weight. Good, if you're with us, you got the weight. So think light when you jump. Good, light landing. Don't worry, we're gonna shake it out after this and take it to the mat. Stay with it, press. Good, getting that heart rate up, a little bit of cardio. Up and down. Perfect. Ready for your countdown?
Yes.
Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Thanks, Rach. 4.
You got
3, 2, 1. Nice. Good, JULANA. Shake it out.
Oh, shoulders.
Woohoo! Strong body, strong upper body. Feeling it. Take it down to the mat. Okay, you guys. So, we got our dumbbells. We are gonna go into a rotation with the weights, a skyscraper. So I want you to come to a plank position. All right, get that breath back under control. Reach that arm up, open to the side, and switch. Good, stretch that arm up, reach it, back down, reach. Nice. Yes. You feel that whole upper body twist. Core is tight. Beautiful. So I'm gonna show you something. If it's hurting your wrist, you can put your hand on the mat, okay? So if you need to, just set your hand down, grab the weight, reach one arm up, or you can keep your grip with both arms on that dumbbell, whatever feels comfortable to you. Last 2. Good. One more, and reach. Drop it down, shake it out. You guys are crushing it. I haven't really been giving any breaks, so nice work. Okay, let's come back to our plank. We're gonna row the dumbbells in a plank. So bring those feet hip width apart, take the dumbbell to your hip and row. Keep your shoulders and hips square. Exhale, pull it up. Good, keep that butt nice and down. I love that booty, but keep it down. Nice, keep going. Again, you can always set that hand on the mat. Sometimes I prefer that. You're feeling it in your wrist. Good, keep it going. Pull it up. Good. Reach it up, hip level. Keep going, 5 more. 5, 4, last 3, stay with me. Nice. Last 2, last 1. And drop.
Oh, that got intense.
Nice work, you guys. Have a seat onto your backs. We're gonna grab the dumbbells. We are gonna press them. So if you're with me, we're gonna tabletop our legs, get the abs, or you can keep them on the floor with JULANA. Lay down, arms straight up, elbows scrape the rib cage, press it up. Inhale down, exhale press. Good, so I want you to think of your lower back pressing down into the mat. Inhale down, exhale up, good. This reminds me, did you guys ever play airplane when you were a kid? And you lay on someone and then you kick them up? No?
No, I wasn't allowed to play that game.
Oh, I did. I played that.
Well, maybe at home, pretend you're playing airplane, I don't know, with somebody who's a lot of fun. And you're taking them down, and then you're throwing them back up. Anything to make it go by quicker, right? Here we go. 5, crushing it. 4, press. 3, press. 2, press. 1 more, press. Good job. Okay, next move, we're gonna get back to the triceps. These are skull crushers. You can modify with 1 dumbbell if you need. Flex your elbows and take it straight up. So we're gonna go right over our shoulders. Inhale, exhale, press. Good. So when you bend your arms, I want your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Down and up. Good. Down and up. Perfect, you got it.
The legs really get core involved.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Squeeze your abs. And then keep breathing. You guys are crushing this. Good. Inhale down, exhale up. Nice. Let's go 5 more. 5, press. 4, press. 3, you got it. I need 2 more. 2, all the way up. 1 more. Good, and sit up and breathe. Nice work. Set those dumbbells down. Good news. Last move in this circuit before we stretch it out. So you're gonna turn around, we're gonna do 2 push-ups and 4 quick mountain climbers.
Woo.
My modification, you're gonna do 2 push-ups on your knees and then 2 slow mountain climbers. Watch JULANA. Here we go. Ready to finish this?
Yes.
Yes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it tight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice work. Home stretch. Good. Big inhales, big exhales. 1, 2. Oh, arms are feeling it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue. Last one after this. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, and woo! That should be the feeling when you're done.
Yeah.
Failure all the way. Oh my God, I'm drenched, but so good. Girls, give it up.
Woo, yes.
Nice work.
Good job.
You guys, woo.
Killed it.
Let's stretch it out, you guys. Go ahead, tap it out. Oh, cool it down. Go ahead, cross your arm over. And feel that stretch. You guys, did that fly by or was it just me?
It flew by.
Flew by. Flew by.
Time
Good.
flies when you're having fun though, right?
That's true. Roll your wrists a couple times and switch arms. Good. And roll that wrist. It's all about just making that time, carving out that time and showing up, right? Press it back, press on your elbow. Feel that stretch in your tricep. Breathe, let that heart rate come down. And switch, other arm back. Press on that elbow. Feels so good to break that sweat. Interlock behind your arms. Open that chest. I want you to fall down to the ground. Shake your head yes and no. And release your arms to the floor. Feel that stretch. Go ahead, take it to one side. Reach both arms to one leg. Hold it here. Good, another side. Hold that stretch. And bring it back to the middle. I always feel better after getting in that workout, no matter how long it was, just breaking that sweat. Feels so good. Slowly roll it up 1 vertebrae at a time. Go ahead, roll your shoulders back a couple times. And breathe. Good, 1 more. And bring it front. Whew. Good, 2 more.
Oh, this feels so good.
Oh yeah, bring those feet together. We're gonna bring your hands together. Whatever you need for the rest of your day. Big inhale all the way up. And whatever you don't need, big exhale, release. You guys crushed it. We are done, and we will see you next time. Nice work.